Have you ever wondered why mountain goats can climb almost vertical cliffs with such ease? It's a question that has piqued the curiosity of many a nature lover. After all, these seemingly gravity-defying creatures make scaling steep, rocky terrain seem like a walk in the park. But before we delve into their mountaineering skills, let's clear one thing up. Despite their name, mountain goats aren't actually goats. Yes, you heard that right. They're more closely related to antelopes and gazelles, falling under the category of goat antelopes. One could say they're the imposters of the animal kingdom, masquerading as goats while carrying the bloodline of antelopes. Now, the natural habitat of these intriguing creatures is as unique as their lineage. They're most commonly found in the Rocky Mountains of North America, perched on cliffs that would give even the most seasoned climbers a run for their money. They've made these vertigo-inducing heights their home, braving harsh weather conditions and predators. And speaking of cliffs, let's take a moment to marvel at the mountain goat's impressive climbing skills. These animals have been known to scale slopes of over 60 degrees that's steeper than most staircases you've ever climbed. They can jump nearly 12 feet in a single bound, a feat that would make even the most agile gymnast green with envy. So, how do they do it? Well, it all comes down to their extraordinary hooves. Each hoof has a hard outer shell and a soft, rubbery inner pad that provides traction and grips onto even the smallest of outcroppings. This, coupled with their low center of gravity and uncanny ability to balance, makes them the undisputed champions of the mountainous terrain. And there you have it. The curious case of the mountain goat, or should we say the mountain antelope, unraveled. It turns out, the secret to their climbing prowess lies in their extraordinary hooves and their uncanny ability to balance. But what makes these agile climbers choose such perilous heights? Mountain goats, despite their name, are not true goats at all. They are members of the antelope family, specifically designed for life in the high altitudes of North America's mountains. They spend their time grazing on high-altitude vegetation, using their flexible lips to selectively feed on the most nutritious plants. But why do they prefer such inaccessible locations, you might wonder? The primary reason is survival. Living high in the mountains on cliffs and precipices keeps them safe from predators. Their cloven hooves with 2 toes offer them the grip and balance needed to navigate these steep, rugged terrains. Apart from their unique choice of habitat, the social structure of mountain goats is also intriguing. For most of the year, males, known as billies, and females, known as nannies, live in separate groups. It's only during the mating season in late fall that they come together. The nannies live in herds with their kids, nurturing them, teaching them to navigate the perilous terrain and protecting them from predators. On the other hand, the billies usually prefer a solitary life, only joining the herds during the mating season. Living high up in the mountains isn't just a show of their extraordinary climbing skills, it's a survival strategy that has served them well. So the next time you see a mountain goat perched high up on a cliff, remember it's not just a daredevil move but a life-saving tactic. There's more to these high-altitude dwellers than meets the eye. Would you believe that they shed their coats by rubbing against rocks? Yes, you heard right. Mountain goats have a unique way of getting rid of their winter coats. As the weather warms up, they find a sturdy rock and rub their bodies against it, shedding their thick, woolly layers. It's nature's very own spring cleaning. Now let's talk about their lifespan. Mountain goats on average live 12 to 15 years in the wild. That's quite impressive for an animal living in such harsh conditions. But did you know they have an exceptional eyesight to thank for their survival? Their sharp vision helps them spot predators from miles away, ensuring they can make a swift, sturdy-footed escape if need be. However, these magnificent mountaineers aren't immune to threats. Climate change is altering their high-altitude homes, making it harder for them to find food and survive. Human activities, too, are a cause for concern. Whether it's habitat loss due to construction or the dangers posed by hunters, we have a significant role to play in the challenges they face. These remarkable creatures are a testament to nature's adaptability, thriving in environments that would be inhospitable to many. Yet they face challenges, and their survival depends on our ability to protect their habitats.